Hello and welcome to Davey Motor Group. My name is Ben. Today we'll be having a look at this 2018 Toyota HiAce 4-wheel drive 2.8 litre GDH motor. This vehicle has been imported directly from Japan and is now available in Geelong, Victoria. Excellent condition, 217,000 kilometres. Has been serviced, detailed, and is ready to go to its new owner. Finished in pearl white, all original, 5-door. Start by having a look in the boot. As you can see, this does have a rear mirror and wiper. No reverse camera, but that can be fitted for extra. This is a 3-seater van. As you can see, the vinyl is in excellent condition. Same with the cardboard paneling. And the roof is also in really good condition. Sliding doors all work as they should. And just underneath here you've got your spare, your jack and your tools. Head over to the driver's area now. You've got your power windows. You've got 2 remote keys, automatic high beams. You've got your headlight leveling. Steering wheel has lane keep assist. We have brand new floor mats fitted to the vehicle. $217,000 kilometers. Six-speed automatic. You've got collision warning. You've got a 12-volt power adapter here. Ashtray. Brand new radio with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. You've got some storage up here. There's storage down here as well with the owner's manual, and you've got a bit of a tray storage down here as well. If you have any questions about this vehicle, please do leave them down in the comments below. All vehicles do come with a roadworthy certificate and 3 months of Victorian registration. Shipping available Australia-wide with extended warranties as well for up to 5 years, bumper to bumper available. Thank you very much, everyone.